we have two objects, and when they are 10 meter apart, they have 0.29 Newton, 91 Newton force acting between them. So if we increase the distance between the objects, how will the gravitational force be affected? So the gravitational force will be affected by the ratio of r square. So first we need to find by how much ratio distance has been changed. So r1 is equal to 10 meter and R2 is equal to 25 meter. So R2 to R1 ratio will become equal to 25 divided by 10, that is 2.5. So the distance has been increased by 2.5 times from the original distance. The force will be decreased by the square of the same distance. New force F is equal to original force. Let's say F2 is equal to new force, and original force, this is our F1 divided by 2.5 squared, because it follows the inverse square law. So F2 will become equal to F1, that is 0.291 divided by 2.5 squared. So if we solve this F2 by F1, what will we get? 4.7 times 10 to the power minus 2 newtons. You can also solve this by F is equal to G m1 m2 divided by r square. Let's call everything 1, and then F2 is equal to G m1 m2 divided by r2 square. And you can find the ratio of forces. F1 divided by F2 is equal to 1 divided by R1 square divided by 1 divided by R2 square. So you divide both equation by 1 into GM1 M2, GM1 M2 are common and they will cancel out. So what we get, F1 divided by F2 is equal to 1 divided by R1 square multiplied by R2 square. So F1 divided by F2 is equal to R2 divided by R1 square. And that's exactly what we did.